this video, I'll show you what a pipe wrench is and how it works. So a pipe wrench is an adjustable wrench. It can be used on different sizes of pipes and fittings, and you really need to buy two when you're doing this, and I'll show you why in a second. A pipe wrench can be opened and closed by screwing this nut in or out. Like that. And it grips when it's rotated this way. The teeth are serrated in one direction to grip and the other direction to release. So the tightening action on a pipe wrench is always spinning this way and the loosening is this way. The reason you'll need two pipe wrenches is you're going to need one to hold the part that you're keeping stationary and another to turn the part that you're trying to tighten. When you're using them, you're going to have them facing in opposite directions because of the way they grip and the way they release. Let me show you how. I'm using the red pipe wrench to hold this fitting stationary, and I have a blue pipe wrench that I'll use to tighten the pipe. You can see that I have them oriented in opposite directions so that they work against each other. Then it releases when I spin back, and I can tighten it further. I'll put a link in the description of this video to some good pipe wrenches you can purchase on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.